Hey sleepers, Keith here from Tuck. Today we're going to be taking a look at the GhostBed Classic mattress. GhostBed's been around for a while and this is their most affordable and most popular mattress. But how does it stack up to Tuck's tests? Keep watching to find out. Testing the mattress today, we have lightweight sleeper Elizabeth, average weight sleeper Scott, and heavyweight sleeper Mary. To unbox the mattress, grab a friend and bring the box to its intended destination. Take the mattress out of the box, open up the plastic, and give it about 24 to 48 hours to fully recover. The GhostBed is an 11-inch mixed foam mattress. The cover is made from polyester. The comfort layers consist of 1.5 inches of aerated synthetic Dunlop latex over 2 inches of 4PCF gel memory foam. The support core is made up of 7.5 inches of 2PCF high-density polyfoam. The GhostBed falls at about 6 out of 10 on the firmness scale, making it a medium firm mattress. The mattress has a traditional mixed foam feel, so it's very conforming and slow to respond, especially compared to innerspring mattresses. However, it won't be as conforming as a traditional memory foam bed, especially given the latex in the comfort layer. To test for support, we look at the spinal alignment of all 3 of our sleepers when sleeping on their side. We found that all 3 sleeper weights received adequate support, though our light and average weight sleepers received a bit more support. To illustrate motion isolation, we put a water glass on one side of the bed and have our heavyweight sleeper Mary move around the opposite end. As you can see, the glass barely moves as Mary shifts around the opposite side of the mattress. When testing for edge support, we found the GhostBed to be a bit better than your average all-foam mattress. As with other all-foam mattresses, all 3 of our sleepers experience sinkage when sitting on the edge of the bed. However, when sleeping close to the edge of the bed, all of our sleepers felt supported. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to tell how much pressure relief our sleepers are able to receive from a mattress. Our testing found that average and heavyweight sleepers received ample pressure relief, while a little bit less so for our lightweight sleeper. It's worth noting that there's some pressure on the shoulders and hips for Scott, our average weight sleeper, which is in large part due to his build and not the mattress. When assessing temperature neutrality, our testing found that sleepers do sink a little more deeply into the GhostBed, especially with that higher density memory foam, so it's prone to trap body heat. Now, let's take a minute to check in with our sleepers. Well, Elizabeth, what did you think of the GhostBed?
I liked it. I thought it was a good mixture between firm and soft.
I really liked the GhostBed. I'm a firm mattress girl and this is nice and firm.
When I was on my back, I felt like initially I was laying on top of the mattress, but over time I adjusted more into it.
When I laid on my back, it was really nice. It almost felt like the bed wasn't even there.
What about sleeping close to the edge of the bed?
I felt really secure. It was definitely holding its shape.
I felt really secure, especially on the edge of the bed. So there is a good night's sleep in this bed.
Thanks so much. Now let's take a look at how the GhostBed stacked up in our mattress tests. The mattress has a traditional mixed foam feel, so it's going to be slower to respond and feel more like you're sleeping in versus on the mattress. Support was very good for light and average weight sleepers and good for heavyweight sleepers. Motion isolation was very good, while edge support was good. Pressure relief was good for lightweight sleepers and very good for average and heavyweight sleepers, while temperature neutrality was fair. So a couple of takeaways from our testing of the GhostBed mattress. If you know that you want a particular firmness, so you want a really firm or a really soft bed, this probably won't be the mattress for you as it only comes in one firmness option. This mattress is a little bit firmer compared to similar all-foam mattresses in this price range. So if you want a softer or more conforming mattress, this probably isn't the one for you. We recommend the GhostBed mattress for budget-conscious sleepers. If you are on a budget, this is one to consider. Average weight sleepers and even heavyweight sleepers are probably gonna appreciate this mattress and the firmness that it sits at more than lighter weight sleepers. Also, back and stomach sleepers will appreciate the firmness and feel of this mattress. Couples might find this to be a solid option given the motion isolation and edge support, especially considering the price point and that it's an all foam mattress. Here's some more information if you're interested in purchasing the GhostBed mattress. It comes with a 101 night sleep trial, ships free, and comes with a 20-year warranty. For up-to-date pricing and exclusive discounts for Tuck followers, check the description below or visit tuck.com. That's it for our GhostBed Classic Mattress review. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful, and visit tuck.com for the full written review and for all your sleep needs. Be sure to check us out on Facebook and Twitter. We're always doing awesome giveaways and sharing the latest in sleep news. Sleep well.